Hey, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made this box with a bunch of broken jewelry, some Mardi Gras beads, and some really cool paint. Hope you stick around. It's just a kind of like a book box. I almost painted it before I had it before. No big deal. It's a pretty nice box, pretty heavy and solid, coated with velvet inside. Anyway, I needed it before, and here it is. This is drywall tape, like, yeah, put it over your seams and put mud over it. It's really, really, really thin. I don't know if you can tell. Anyway, I measured it out, cut it out. I'm using it for texture in the middle of my box. Now I've got my beads drying, and then I'm going to paint them. This is the top. I went through my bits and bobs of broken pieces of jewelry and came up with this selection to begin with. Some of the pieces were rounded, so I'm going to show you how I quickly flattened them out just using the handle of a tool, rolling it on a cloth on my table. Worked out pretty good, you'll see in the video. Here I have glued all of the little pieces I tore apart to my box. I'm going to let it dry for a couple of hours and then give it all a paint job. This is more about a texture than the color. Wanted half moon circle kind of things on the sides, so I looked around to find a bottle or something that I could use as a sort of a template, and lo and behold, my glue bottle worked perfectly. Now I'm adding some of this yellow paint so that later it's the bottom layer that you will see after the mini layers I'm going to add. I was so ready to see closer to the finished project, I went ahead and dabbed black all over before I applied all these other little pieces. All of these white pieces are from a mold thing I bought with, I used white paper clay and just molded whatever pieces I wanted and applied them with the tacky glue. Here you see I've added the pennies from heaven on all the beads. Gives it a cool copper effect. Using a stencil from Walmart, I applied drywall mud over the stencil, and once it was all dried up and done, it left a really cool flower texture. Now I am adding gypsy green paint from the DIY line. And my hope is after all of these layers I add, this will show up at the very bottom as if it's an old copper piece. I knew in the end that the final color of this box would be black or what looks like a dark color, so the entire box gets a coat of it. It's kind of crazy, but if you watch here, you'll see some of the black comes off as I dab it away, trying to age the pieces. Again with adding black and then pulling it back off, just using water. Black has been added to everything and then dabbed back off just like you've seen previously. I took a can of clear gloss spray paint and just coated the entire thing for this finished piece. I sure hope this video gave you some inspiration to look around your home and find some bits and pieces of things you can put together and make something cool out of. The big question for me is, do I give it as a gift to someone, or do I try to make it the first thing I list in my brand new Etsy shop? Tell me in the comments below what you think I should do. Hey, thanks a bunch for watching. I really appreciate it. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe. All of these things show YouTube I'm doing something over here. Please put me out on more people's pages so I can grow this following. Thanks. Bye-bye.